Generative AI imagery, it's a spicy topic, right?
Yeah.
So here's what I would say, like more largely about AI. The AI wave is here. I think we all know it.
No avoiding it.
It's
Yeah.
going to be a revolution. And, tools like Stable Diffusion and large language models are available to consumers at a greater rate than ever before. ChatGPT is like, gaining a stronghold in people's lives very quickly. It is very exciting. I think that there's a lot to be excited about. So, for example, as an artist, am I saying, hey, like, don't use Stable
Yeah.
Diffusion? Well, I'm not. At the same time, I think that there are things to be wary about, and there are like potential problems and challenges. So I encourage software engineers, but everybody really to just like get educated about the space, like from an engineering perspective, get educated about like how AI works. In the grand scheme of things, it's not actually like that complicated. I think it sounds more complicated than it actually is. Get a little bit of education about how it works and then get like the historical foundation of like what have been like some of the problems with this type of stuff in the past.
How
What are
models are trained.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What are some of the problems that currently exist? What are like current applications that might be a little bit problematic, right? So in Code Societies at School for Poetic Computation, we read like Ruha Benjamin, Sophia Noble, Simone Brown. These are like amazing like academic thinkers who've done a ton of original research in this space. And I could talk about this for hours. I won't get into
Keep
the
going. We have
details,
time.
but
Yeah.
it's important to like understand historically and currently some of the challenges, some of the problems, and understand that like we impart our values into the system, like whether we mean to or not, we impart our values into a system. And often with our best intentions, with intentions to be benevolent, we actually end up doing the opposite. So knowing that, like keep that in mind and like make sure to build these types of products with like the most diverse group of people you can find. I don't think it's realistic to say like don't do AI.
Yeah.
But if you are going to do AI, know the history, know how it works, and like pursue it with a diverse group of people. And I think you're going to have a better product at the end of it.